Pensight course tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you step by step how to create a course using Pensight. The first thing you want to do is go onto pensight.com, and this is a platform that allows creators to sell digital products and services. And you can create an account for completely free to get started. All you'll need to do is go onto pensight.com. From there, you can enter your username and basic sign-up information. Once you're finished, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your Pensight dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Products. Then you're going to tap on Create New Product in the top right-hand corner. After doing that, you can select Course. Once you have selected Course, you can enter in your course name. So for example, let's say I were to call my course Test. Then you can upload a cover image right here. So you'll tap on click to upload, and you could upload a cover image for your course. So let's say for example I were to use this image. Then after selecting the cover image, you'll scroll down, and from here you can also edit the call to action button, and you can scroll down and you can set the price that you would like to sell your course for. After setting the price, you can choose whether you like to allow persons to pay in multiple installments, or you like to create a subscription program, or you'll allow them to set their own price. After doing this, you'll simply scroll down and you can edit the thank you message, and you can also create a custom form if you want, which will allow you to collect extra information. After doing all of that, you're going to tap on continue. After entering the product information, it is now time to edit our landing page. You have two options. You can either choose to build a landing page from scratch, or you can choose to use a template. Let's say we were to tap on start with a template. After selecting start with a template, you can scroll down and you can see how the template looks right there. So you have different templates, and we are just going to select, you can select a color scheme, whichever one of these you would like to use, and you're going to tap on use this template in the top right hand corner. After selecting use this template, you can now edit it to your liking. So you could tap on the current pic that is there, for example sake, and you could change the picture if you want. So you can tap right there on the picture, and you could go over to the right hand menu option and you could tap on change to change the picture. You can also change the text by tapping on the text that is there, and you can type in whatever you want, and you can scroll down and you could quickly edit your landing page. Once you're finished editing your landing page, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. Now you're going to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, it is now time to add your course content. To do this, all you need to do is tap on add a chapter. Then you could upload a cover image, add in the chapter title. So let's say I were to call this first. Then you could add in a description. Then you can scroll down and you can tap on save as ready. After tapping on save as ready, so this would be the first chapter. Then you can add your lesson right there. So you could tap on add a lesson, and you can choose whether you would like to add a video lesson or image. You can upload the image, file, text, audio, whatever you would like to add, and you can set up your course and you can tap on save as ready, and you can add different chapters and you can continue adding different lessons. After doing that, all you'll need to do is tap on product, and you'll be able to preview how it looks. Then you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and it will now go live. After you have tapped on publish, you can tap on preview product page, and you will be redirected to the landing page. So this is what persons will automatically see when they click on your course link, and then once they tap on enroll now, they'll be redirected to this page to sign up. And you can see right there, they'll fill in their sign up information and their credit card. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button